Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a spring glowy makeup look. Spring just started a couple days ago, so I am changing up my vibe. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this glowy spring makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to use my NYX Hydra Touch Primer. I'm going to put that all over my skin. So for foundation today, I'm going to take the Fenty foundation and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the MAC Strobe Cream because this is a lot more full coverage and matte. So I want to add some glow to it. A little blob of that. So I'm going to blend this out. For concealer, I'm going to use the Morphe concealer. Mine's in the shade 2.25. So I'm mainly going to focus this right under where I have my dark circles. And I'm also going to use this as the base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm also going to take that concealer and put it down my nose, forehead, chin. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette and I'm going to take the two highlighting shades and put this to help brighten up underneath my eyes and to set everything so my concealer doesn't crease. And I'm also going to highlight the center area of my face. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 10. Alright, for the eyes, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. So for my eyes today, I'm going to use this yellow here in the transition area. I'm going to use this pukey brown mustard shade for the transition. And I'm going to put this shimmer all over my lid. I'm going to keep it pretty basic today. Now for liner, I'm going to take this Morphe liner and it's the shade Bar. I've been really liking this. It's a brown liner and I just love the color of it. So now I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my skin. I just recently picked up this Morphe palette. This is the highlight and contour palette. So it has 4 bronzing shades and 4 highlighting shades. Bronze up my face, I'm gonna take these two. This one is like a reddish brown, this one's a little bit cooler. So I'm gonna kind of mix them together and see how that works. So I really like the color of the bronzers. I don't want to say anything bad about it, but it's just not my favorite formula. I feel like I have to go back over it a lot of times. So I'm going to go in with my Park Avenue palette and I'm going to take this shade Angle and I'm going to mix it with this one here. Now for blush, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics blush palette. I just recently got this and I've noticed it is extremely pigmented, so you do not need a lot because the first time I had way too much blush on and it was really hard to blend it out. For today's blush, I think I'm going to do this one here. It's a little bit neutral and has a little bit of peach to it. Put it on my nose, a little bit on the forehead. Just make it look very sun-kissed. Now I'm gonna carve out underneath my cheekbones using that same Maybelline powder. I'm gonna take this Morphe E47, go here, drag it down a little bit. For the bottom shadow, I'm gonna use this mustard shade to blend out the eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in with the yellow one to blend everything out. This highlighting shade right here. I'm gonna take these two shades. This one's yellow and this one's a peach shade called Lit and Supernova. I'm gonna mix those two together. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of it. On camera it doesn't look that bad, but in person, you can really see the line and it looks very gray. I'm gonna use the one I always use, the Ofra Rodeo Drive. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe setting spray. If you have not tried this, I 100% recommend. It's such an easy application with the mist. It's so fine and I really feel like it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara off camera. I'm gonna use the Lash Sensational mascara. I love this mascara. It's really, really black and the tip of it is really nice to get volume. For my lips, I'm gonna outline them with this NYX lip liner in Nutmeg. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Lingerie Gloss. Loving doing this lip lately. I just use that Nutmeg shade to kind of outline and contour my lips. And then I put a gloss or a lipstick that is more of a nude shade. And it just makes your lips look more plump and it has a 90s feel to it. I really like it. So I put that on and then I'll go through and tap to blend it in. Alright you guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.